We'll guide you through how to make grid background in Figma. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this guide carefully, because skipping a step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open the Windows Start menu on your desktop, and use the search function in the taskbar to look for Google Chrome. Once the browser appears in the search results, open the Google Chrome application. After the browser launches, enter Figma into the search bar and click the official Figma website from the search results. Make sure you're already logged into your Figma account before continuing. For this tutorial, start a new project by clicking the plus design button on the dashboard. The edit page of your project will then open, giving you access to the canvas and design tools. There are two ways to create a grid background, and we will begin with a manual method. First, press L on your keyboard to activate the line tool. Then, draw a horizontal line across the canvas. After the line has been created, click on it to select it and press Ctrl+D to duplicate the line. Move the duplicated line slightly downward. Once positioned, press Ctrl+D again. Figma will automatically repeat the previous duplication and movement distance, creating additional lines in sequence. Continue pressing the shortcut until you reach the desired number of horizontal lines. When you have enough horizontal lines, create the vertical lines by repeating the same process, this time drawing and duplicating lines downward to form a complete grid. After the grid is finished and everything looks correct, create a frame by pressing F on the keyboard. Draw the frame so it covers the entire grid you created. For the second method, use a plugin. Open the Actions menu, then select Plugins and Widgets. In the search field, type Grid Pattern. Choose the plugin from the results and click Run. Once the plugin window appears, change the background color to black and the grid color to white. Adjust the grid size according to your preference. Finally, click Generate Pattern to instantly create a customizable grid background on your canvas.